Hey guys, Gator Mom here. I hope you're having an awesome Thanksgiving week. Today I have a big unboxing from Team Jujubee that I'm going to share with you. Happy Thanksgiving, friends. I am in a little bit of a different setting today. I am upstairs in my office in a tiny little corner of my room. I have a bunch of family over for Thanksgiving and I got this big box here from Jujubee and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you because it is a bunch of different bags from all of their November releases. So there's some new colors, there's some new styles. I have not seen them in person yet, but I know this week they are running a huge Black Friday sale. It's going on for a couple of days. I believe it's already started now. I'm hoping to get this video up for you guys tonight because the sales are going today all the way through Cyber Monday. So I know a lot of you are curious as to what these bags look like and kind of my first impressions and just curious as to the patterns and things like that. So I wanted to kind of sneak up here away from the chaos downstairs and share with you these particular styles. I would love to know in the comments below which ones you want to see first as far as packing videos, since a lot of these will be brand new to my channel since they're brand new to Jujubee. So yeah, I'm excited to kind of get started and see what's inside because I haven't seen them yet. So bear with me because some of them I don't even know the names of yet. They're brand new lines and brand new styles and all that fun stuff. So right here on top, I'm just going to kind of pull out and go with it. This one here is the Encore Tote, which was one that I was most excited about. This one here, a couple of these are in lower price points, which is really attractive for Jujubee because I know a lot of you wanted to see some that are a little bit more affordable for Jujubee. This is one of them. I want to say this bag ranges, please don't quote me on it because I'm not sure, but maybe like the $50 to $75 range on their website. This tote I was really excited to see in person. This one comes in, I want to say 3 different colors. This color, which is the, I just threw it over there, black rose, night rose, one of those, one of the rose colors. But it has the like rose gold hardware on it, and then of course the black background that looks really similar to like the monarch print for those of you that are familiar with it. I love this tote in this classic black color because I think it will pair with a ton of different Jujubee accessories. So I was excited to get this one in all black because I'm excited to kind of do a packing video of this one and show you what this one will hold. At the very top you have like these rolled handles at the top, so I think it'll be really good for as far as sitting on your shoulder. It won't slip off very easily, so I love that about it. Really nice like webbing as far as the tote strap goes. This bag's a lot, it's actually a really good size. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. In the front here you have a really nice plated Jujubee logo in like the rose gold, and then on the side you have the same here for your D-rings, and then on the inside, open it up and check it out. Oh, there's tons of pockets in here. So I haven't seen, like I said, I haven't seen this one in person. I actually haven't seen any like videos or pictures as far as how it packs up. It does come with a light change pad, similar to like the Be Light or the lighter change pad that you've seen. It's attached inside. I wish I had my scissors because I would take it off and show you like a better look, but let me try to kind of push it down so I can show you all. So inside there's tons of pockets, which I was not expecting at all for this bag. You have a zipper on the inside here, and then you have elastic pockets as well as insulated pockets, which is really cool because you can put like bottles or snacks, of course. But I really like that they're insulated because that will keep like drinks cool and all of that. I really like that. So on this side here, you have 2 pockets right here that are insulated. And then on the other side, you have just 2 regular pockets and a zip pocket. But this bag is really, really big. And I like that the lining, of course, is light colored and it has like the Jujubee logo kind of throughout it and like a little bit of a design. You probably, I'm not sure if it's coming up well in the camera or not, but of course when I do like a packing video you'll be able to see it a lot better. On the back of the bag here there is 1 snap pocket, and then you have a zipper pocket, which is maybe like a it's a tech pocket. So you do have a tech pocket in this bag, which is really cool. And then the zippers are kind of like a webbed zipper on this bag. So I think this bag is awesome. This would be really good for travel, especially like in the car. I think this is an awesome bag. In the front here, I don't know if I showed you. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. So in the front here, you have one big, huge pocket. It's kind of like a mommy pocket because you do have some pockets here in the front. And then you also, you have 3 pockets, sorry, not 2. You have one pocket here, one on the end, and then one big one in the middle. And then you also have a spot for your keys. So tons of organization there in the front for like a mommy pocket. Love it, super cool. So this bag's way bigger than I thought. So yeah, this is the Encore Tote. I love this tote also in the Midnight Posy print, super cute. I just kind of wanted this one in like a very classic one to match with a lot. So this here is the Encore Tote. Very cute. I love it. I'm impressed with this one. I like it. Cute. All right, so next. This is the, okay, so this is the bag that's very similar to the BFF, but again, like a little bit lower of a price point and not as much bells and whistles, if you will, I think, as far as the BFF goes, but it's pretty much the same. I mean, it looks and feels the same as far as I think. It's the convertible backpack. This is in the graphite color. And again, it comes in the 3 different ones, the black one, the Midnight Posy, and this one, I believe. Again, bear with me, I'm still kind of learning them. But this one's really kind of classic looking. It feels very light to me too. Maybe it's like the particular print that this one is. So on the front, it's a zipper, not an open pocket. I thought this was an open pocket. It's not, it's a zipper. And then you have 2 elastic pockets here and a key leash. So that's kind of cool. So that is your mommy pocket that the BFF typically has. If you guys are interested in a comparison of this and the BFF, that's a video I could easily do for you guys. Let me know below if that's one that you guys want to see. So that is your mommy pocket. That's a difference right off the bat I see. Oh no. Of course. Okay, so these are zip tied together really, really tight, and I do not have my scissors up here. Sorry guys, so I cannot open this up to show you the inside of this particular pocket, but I can show you the outside. Sorry friends, did not bring my scissors up here. But this is the convertible backpack. You do have the option to wear it backpack style, and I am assuming on the inside here are all of the straps to wear it, but it is zip tied super, super tight, so I cannot even begin to open that because I do not have my scissors. So I'm going to move on to the other bags in here because the video is already going to be super long with these, so I'm sorry. But let me know below if you want to see this one more in detail, because I of course will show you an up close of this one, all the pockets, and how it compares to the BFF. All right, moving on in here is the Midnight Posy. This is the Ballad backpack. This one was another one, just like the Encore Tote, that I was really excited to see in person. This print is really, really cute. I love it. I love the navy background. I've been loving navy lately. It's just been one of those like colors I've been kind of gravitating towards for whatever reason, but I love this. I feel like it's smaller than the base. I have my base over there. I can grab it. Again, that's another great one. I can do a comparison for you guys, but you have a nice grab handle up here at the top. This is a really cute print. This, I bet, looks adorable on that tote bag. Really, really cute. On the back here, you have a nice like mesh background here of the navy and these really padded back straps. This one's super cute on this backpack. I really like this. You have a zipper here in the front. That is a tech pocket. So it's a fully lined tech pocket there. And then you have a zipper pocket here, pretty much just like the base. You have a pocket here, and then a insulated pocket here on the side. It feels insulated. Kind of for water bottles on the side. And then when you open it up, please don't be zip tied. Ah, why did they do that? Oh my goodness. Son of a gun? Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna go grab my scissors because I want to open this one for you guys. All right, I got my scissors. I was not gonna go through another bag and not be able to open up the inside. Lesson learned, lesson learned. All right, so 2 zippers, and then when you open it up here, yeah, it opens up just like the base. So those of you that have the base bag, it's pretty much exact to the base. You have 2 pockets here in the front, and then you have your pockets here in the back of the bag. And then it does come with a light change pad, which is awesome. But then this back sleeve here is padded, so it's really nice for iPads or I believe, I don't know if I haven't tried on my base either, but I want to say a laptop, maybe like a 13-inch would fit back there. Not sure. I can try it for you guys. But you also have pockets here in the front and then pockets here. But it's really, really big. It's a nice size for sure. Backpack. And then you do have gussets here on the side. So this is really cute. This pattern is adorable. I love this. I love this pattern. Like some white, kind of a red shirt, cut off jeans, boots. I mean, super cute. I like this a lot. So that is the Ballad backpack there. All right, the next bag in here is the Prism Rose. This one was the last one from the November releases that I have to share with you today, and it is super pretty as well. This one looks really good with that other, with that black rose. Super pretty bag. So this one looks different actually than I thought it looked. It has almost like an amber orange, if that makes sense, and a pink pattern. I hope the lighting, oops, it's starting to get kind of a little bit darker here, will show up good for you guys, but it's a super pretty print. It has a very kind of fall feel to it, if you will, but it has like a pink and an orange on a black background. It's definitely black. It's not navy, it's not charcoal, it's a black background, and this would look really pretty in a Super Bee. I don't know why I'm thinking like that this would look really pretty in I really want it in a Super Bee. I don't know why, but oh, the lining is really pretty. Okay, so I want to open it up and show you guys the lining. The lining like kind of makes it. I don't know what it is about the lining, but it's like, okay, so the lining is like a baby pink color, but it looks so good contrasting with the print. They did a good job choosing this lining color. I hope that you can see it really well with the camera, because it's really, really pretty. I think a Super Bee, for whatever reason, would look really pretty with this print. I'm gonna need to snag one on Shop Jujubee, because I think this in a Super Bee. Not that it doesn't look adorable in the mini bee. I love mini bees. I have tons of them. They seem to be like a go-to for me. I use them all the time, but this one would look really cute in the Super Bee or the Bee Light, but I think it would. So on the back here of the mini bee, it has a black mesh and then you have padded backpack straps. But I love the hardware is like the rose gold hardware also. It just looks really good with this print. I like it. I think it's cute. Love it, love it. And then the plaque, of course, is the rose gold also. So give you guys another look up close. You can really see the print. It's a hard one to capture, but I was excited to see it in person. I thought I would like it. I thought I would like it, and I do. It's pretty. Pretty in person. I'm shocked at the lighting though, for sure. It's like, let me see if I can show you guys more, if that'll kind of give you a better look of it. This is gonna be one of those like underrated prints, I feel like. Like everybody's gonna, all these releases that are out there, I feel like this is one everybody's gonna overlook and not want to grab something in. But this is a really good one, you guys. I like it. again, I kind of think that I need like a set and a Super Bee in this print because it's super cute. Super Bee, super cute. Yeah. This is the Night Rose, and this one I was dying to have in the sporty. Ever since they started releasing pictures of this one in the sporty, I was super excited about it because I love this kind of black background and the rose gold zippers. Like, how pretty is that? In love. That is like, oh my gosh, I love that. This hardware in the black background, oh my gosh, it's stunning. That is so pretty. And this will go with like everything. You can dress it up and dress it down, like stunning. This is like, oh my gosh, I love it. And I love the sporty. Like the sporty is one of my favorite backpacks by Jujubee, especially when I'm like by myself and I don't have the kids, or even if I have the kids, both. So let me open up. The lining is the pretty champagne kind of color. Super pretty. I love it. And the zipper, of course, is that same rose gold. This is really pretty, you guys. I like this a lot. So the inside of the sporty, those of you that might not be familiar, I do have packing videos already of the sporty on my channel, but this one I might have to kind of do an updated one and share with you guys because this is really pretty. But on the inside you have a couple of different pockets, a couple mesh pockets, and then you do have a zipper that's close here to the top, which is nice because you don't have to reach down in the bag to get access to this zipper here. It does come with a messenger strap here at the top, so that's cool. You can wear it like crossbody or over the shoulder if you wanted to. And on the back here, you have a light change pad that slips down into this pocket, and then adjustable backpack straps. So I love this backpack. This is my favorite, I think, out of the whole box. I don't know, I did kind of like that Midnight Posy backpack, but this one's really cute. The zippers are nice and smooth. And you have a nice kind of mommy pocket there in the front with a zipper and a mesh pocket. I love this. So yeah, so that is everything in the like the newer releases this month from Jujubee. Super cute. I'm in love. This one's my favorite, if you guys can't tell. I'm like gushing over the black against this rose. I think it's really cute. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see, like packing video wise, and I will be happy to share them with you. And definitely check out Jujubee. I will have my affiliate link in the description below. I would love it if you would shop through me. That would be awesome. And then let me know if you do. Like shoot me a DM or a message. I would love to thank you personally for shopping through my link. And if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely check out their Black Friday sales. I know that they have 30% off, 40% off, 50% off classies, which is really, really good deals. So, and they have some hidden sales kind of coming up in between too. So definitely check them out. I'll have all the links below, and a big thank you to Jujubee for these so I can share them with you guys. But yeah, let me know below what you guys want to see if you have any questions. And I will talk to you guys very soon with some more on these bags. So have a very happy Thanksgiving, and see you later, friends. Bye.